Hi friends, how are you all? Welcome to our channel. I hope you are all fine and doing well. In today's video, we are diving into the world of style and luxury as we explore the different types of leather outfits that are sure to elevate your wardrobe. From classic elegance to bold statement, we have got it all covered. So, dear friends, are you ready to discover the perfect leather dresses that suits your personality and boost your confidence level? Please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. Support me by like, share and subscribe. See you soon with new designs. If you want to buy these beautiful and stylish outfits online, I will tell you the websites from where you can easily buy these outfits online. So you can buy these outfits from Amazon.com, ETSY.com and AliExpress.com. All these websites are very famous and you can buy all the latest variety of fashion. I always try to show you stylish and latest designs of fashion through my videos.